Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Alphacool single slot ES H100 80GB HBM PCIe water blocks. So friend, Alphacool extend the portfolio of GPU water blocks and presents the new ES H100 80GB HBM PCIe in order to dissipate the enormous waste heat of this GPU generation in the best possible way. The cooler is positioned close to the components to be cooled in exemplary manner. Alphacool uses only copper for all water-bearing parts, and copper has almost twice the thermal conductivity of aluminium, making it much better choice of material for a water cooler. And the fully chrome-plated copper base resistant to acid, scratches, and damage, and the matte carbon finish gives the cooler a classy appearance. At the same time, this makes it interesting for private users who want to without aRGB lighting. And friend, the water cooler is specially designed for use in narrow server cases to save space in width and height. The connection have been moved to the back. These also allow for easier housing inside the server rack. And friend, this cooler is now available for pre-order. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.